What's up guys? Today I wanted to show you guys this Black& Decker countertop microwave. I bought this thing for the Airbnb and I really like it. I like how sleek it is, and honestly it is a countertop microwave, so it is small enough that you can put it around your counter wherever you need it. Although it is a countertop microwave, it definitely doesn't lack functions. Here is the control panel, and as you can see, it definitely has a ton of different modes that you can cook with. On here, you have your timer, you have a regular cook time, as well as that power button, and you have different cook modes as well, like for popcorn, potatoes, pizza, whatever you need. As mentioned before, this one is the countertop microwave, so here it is, and honestly, it doesn't really take up a ton of counter space if you are worried for that. This one kind of just tucks away into this crevice right here. However, when you do open it up, it definitely does have a ton of space, so you can even fit a whole pizza in there, honestly, and there is that pizza function as well. So it does come with that turning table right there, and it is very easy to clean. You can just take it out, rinse it off, and place it back. I think this microwave is a really great combination of not taking up too much space on the outside, but still having a lot of capacity on the inside. It has a really great and bright display over here, so it is very user friendly, and you shouldn't have a hard time seeing these buttons if you are making a midnight snack. So if you are looking for a new countertop microwave, I really do recommend this one. It was super powerful and super space efficient, yet it definitely didn't sacrifice the capacity that it can hold on the inside, and overall it was a really nice and sleek design, so I do recommend this one.